So you've been uploading videos in your YouTube channel but not getting views, not getting engagement, and not getting results in your YouTube channel. You don't need to be worried, because in this video today, I'm gonna break it down to you in a very professional step so that you can understand on how to break the code and going viral in the YouTube platform. My name is Whitey Benjamin, and in this channel, I help creators on how to grow professionally by giving them professional tips on how to grow until they monetize their channel. Let's dive in. So one of the master things in YouTube, when you're starting YouTube, when you're a creator or you feel like you want to do content creation, you must make sure that you optimize your channel in a very professional way. And optimization is not a matter of uploading videos and placing the tags and all those sorts of stuff. You must make sure that you link your channel in a professional way, because if your videos are linked together, you are automatically going to attract the YouTube algorithm attention. And if you attract the YouTube algorithm attention, automatically YouTube algorithm will start recommending your videos like a professional videos, because if your videos are linked together and if your channel is optimized in a professional way, where you have the tags, you have the hashtags, and you have all sorts of things that need to be there when it comes to a matter of optimizing your channel. That is one of the things that if you do, you are automatically going to go viral and you're automatically going to break the code like other creators and like other big creators in the YouTube channel. Then the second thing, after doing proper optimization, you must make sure that you link your video in a professional way. One of the big settings in your YouTube studio is where it has been written end screen and cards. That is the only way to link your video, because if you link your videos in end screen, you link your video in cards, anytime somebody watches your video, automatically YouTube recommend other videos that have been linked with that video to them. And that is one of the best things, because if somebody likes your video and YouTube recommends another video to them, they will find interest and watch that video and watch some other videos of yours. And if that happens, you are automatically going to be winning it in YouTube by getting hours and automatically telling the YouTube algorithm that indeed this person is a new YouTuber, but all people are watching his content. People are interested in the type of content that this guy is doing. Yeah, so another thing, you must make sure that you put the cards. What is the essence of putting the cards? Putting the cards also helps in a way. It also links your channel together, and again, it promotes other videos, because if you have so many cards in your video, somebody will see another video and watch. Somebody will also see another video and watch. You can also promote your channel to be subscribed to by using the cards. So you simply generate your subscribe link, and then after generating your subscribe link, you can as well market it under your cards, and that one can give you a very good advantage. So if you don't know how to do and how to generate a subscribe link, please just click the link in the description and you will really understand and you will really learn on how to do it in a professional way. Number 3 is to make sure that you have a proper thumbnail plus proper title, because people are always clicking your videos when they are attracted with two things, and the two things are the titles and the thumbnails. You must make sure that your thumbnails is linking and clinching with your title. 70% of people who are watching your videos are simply doing so because they've been attracted with the thumbnails, they've been attracted with the titles that you have in your channel. So if your channel and your title is just poor, they will automatically not click your videos, and if they don't click your video, automatically YouTube algorithm is gonna punish you in any way. So if you does so, just remember that you must make sure that your title is on the same track with the thumbnail, your thumbnail is on the same track with the original video, because people will click your video because they are interested in the type of video that is under the thumbnail. So if your video is not really clicking with the thumbnail and the title, automatically people are going to click off. And if people click off your video, YouTube algorithm is not going to be recommending your videos anymore, because you are not making people to stay in the platform. You are not making people to be in the platform and watch videos like other big creators. Make sure that you stay on trends, because if you stay on trends, you will automatically gain more views, because if you publish things that people are really looking for, you are automatically going to get it right. Your competitors should be your lovers every day. And
so why is it recommended that you should follow your competitors?
Because your competitors are those people who are doing the same niche that you're doing in your channel. And if you really follow what they're doing, if you really follow what they're publishing, and if you really follow what they are always publishing, what they are always live streaming about, what is their daily life according to the YouTube platform. You will get more insights on how to publish videos that are on trends. And if you get insight, you are automatically going to be attracting their audience too to watch your videos. Now, the last point is to practice the audience rebound hack. What is audience rebound hack? Have you ever heard of it before? It is very simple. You must make sure that you track your videos, you track the videos that really performed well in your channel, then you redo those videos again in a very, very professional form. Then after doing this video, you must make sure that you improve in the thumbnail, you improve in the structure of the video, you improve in the title, and you also improve in the delivery of the video itself. Then after that, you will have to publish this video. So the essence of doing all those things is to bring more audience who can like the type of video that you're doing, and again, to bring more people, those people who really like your previous video, to watch your current video. So that same trick, you can as well do it in other people's channel, in your competitors' channel, by simply tracking their videos, looking for the videos that really did well, and doing those videos again, but in your own and unique and professional format. And that is all. So my name is Whitey Benjamin. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time in this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to more other YouTubers. There is a video up there that is talking about the settings that you need to turn on so that you can go viral in YouTube. Remember to watch that video, and let's grow together and win it of YouTube. Bye bye.